Okay. Before I get into anything else about the wig, just look at the hair. Mind you, this is because then there was nothing else to do. It was on. It's installed. It's done. I was very pleased. Okay, so this is called a blend away wig. I want to show you guys where the tracks start on either side, so you have a generous amount of parting space. I bust out my mousse and girl, I'm almost out. I feel like I'm always running out of this stuff. I'm gonna use this mousse to melt my hairline, but before I do that, I want to change my part to the side because I'm a side part girl. I learned the other day that millennials wear side parts. Is that true? I wanted to reinforce my part, so I'm using some spray wax and my straightening comb. I'm using a bit of foundation just to cover my wig cap because it was very apparent and it kept sliding back. And then I'm gonna do some barber hurls. We protect our edges around here, so no harsh glues or adhesives. I'm just using mousse. I like using it on the perimeter of my hairline along with an elastic band to give that. And look at this hair. It's 24 inches long. It is bone straight. So we're gonna get into styling when I actually add product, but this is what the raw hair looks like when it came fresh out the package. If you decided to keep your hair straight, look at this luster. Look at the ends. It's very healthy hair. You see that movement? So I'm gonna give this wig a little butterfly cut transformation. And if you're not familiar with butterfly cut, it's just a really beautiful way to create cascading layers on very long hair. First, you start off with your bang layer, and the end of your bang layer should be where the rest of the layers begin. It is very simple to do. Don't be intimidated. You take 2 fingers of hair and you just angle cut in a downward motion. You should have a fan at the end like that. It doesn't even matter if it's choppy, girl, because it's gonna be cute. One thing about this texture is it's gonna hold a curl, okay? It can take very high heat, but I like to protect my hair. I feel like these wigs are an investment. They can last a long time if you take good care of them. You're gonna need about 1 billion clips. You're gonna need holding spray, and you're gonna pick a curling iron, the barrel of your choice, depending upon how loose or how tight you want your curls. The mesh of the cap construction is actually antimicrobial, so that's good for my girls who sweat. So in my experience, I have had the most success with this hairstyle when I clip up my curls and let them cool completely. You don't want to rush through it because you want these curls to be big, bouncy, oingy boingy, okay? If I could pin up all of my curls like this one, like you see this one curl, this one is perfect. If I could recreate that all over my head, I'm gonna be okay. That additional oomph, like look at how big and Shirley Temple-esque these curls are. I mean, I'm gonna tell you, I was bouncing everywhere, honey. I really love curls, I really do. It's loving now forever. Baby, oh, oh, my baby, oh, oh, my baby, oh, my baby, oh. So I'm gonna start by combing through my curls once I make sure I have all my clips out. But you see already that first swipe of the comb. Look at that. Look at it. You see how it just naturally falls into the style without even doing too much? It's like Farrah Fawcett butterfly wings flapping away. Like, look at that. Oh, you know what it is? I had a Barbie coloring book when I was little, and Christy's hair was just like this with the curls. If I could find a picture, I'm gonna pop it up. That's why I like this hair so much. So on top of these gorgeous curls, it's the density and the length that really makes this haircut just elevate the unit. It's 180% density. Yaki textured hair can hold a curl. It can hold a curl and it can take high heat. So you know it's cold outside. This style is gonna last 2 weeks. 2 weeks, yes ma'am, 2 weeks. I'm gonna put it on my mannequin in the closet. Tell me I'm lying. I bet you I'm not. Cause we're lazy over here. Wait a minute, we're innovative over here. Follow me for more functional, lazy girl tips. So listen, I know everybody doesn't want to look like a Disney princess 24/7 like I do. So if you want to tame these curls, I would get, your favorite pomade. I like Suavecito and Shine Jam or Let's Jam I love Yaki. I love Yaki. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna make sure I put all the information of this hair in the description box below. Y'all follow me on Redbook. Take care of yourselves, stay warm, be safe, all the things. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.